Welcome to Tbsps. Today, I want to show you the easiest Chinese recipe to cook okra. If you're one of those people who don't like this vegetable because of its slimy liquid, this is your recipe because the egg protein absorbs most of the slime and balances the texture in the perfect way. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add a drizzle of oil. The oil will coat the surface of the okra and retain its vivid green color. Let the okra blanch for 1.5 minutes. Take it out and rinse it under running water to cool completely so your hands can handle it. Discard the calyx, where the part that connects to the stem. Then cut the okra into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Okra is also known as lady's finger or gumbo. Its slimy liquid is made up of soluble fiber, which is nutritious and good for you. If you want to see more Chinese recipes to cook okra, let me know in the comment. Crack in 3 eggs and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper or to taste, and 1/2 tablespoon of your favorite chili sauce to give the dish a little spicy kick. Any brand will work. I'm using my homemade garlic chili sauce. Mix well. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. High heat helps the oil to form a non-stick layer at the bottom. After you add the okra and egg, gently swirl it around to make sure the bottom is not sticking to the metal. Once the egg is set, use your spatula to flip to pan fry the other side. Chinese people prefer our eggs to be brown and crispy, which may be a bit overcooked in Western cuisines. However, you can cook your egg to your favorite doneness. Keep stirring and break the egg into smaller pieces. And that's it. So easy. Normally, when you cook okra, you'll see the slimy liquid pooling in between. But in this dish, there's no strings at all because the egg absorbs the sticky liquid. You will be surprised by the result. The okra becomes fresh and crispy. The egg becomes soft and tender. This is probably the best way to enjoy okra. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!